What up, guys? Y'all know who it is. This is your boy. Who? Uncle Dave. Uncle Dave, man, from DTZ Nation. Got the DTZ viewers out here today. Yeah, just Uncle Dave, man, out on another one of my venturous walks. As you can see, I'm out on one of my venturous walks, man, just taking it easy, relaxing. Got a lot going on over there. I can see that could be a big old Christmas tree, could it? I think both of those could be a big old Christmas tree. Yeah. Look at that, homie. Know what I'm saying? Sun's out shining, man, so you know, it's real bright out today. What is that right there? A tunnel? I guess that's a tunnel for like water of some sort, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I've been trying to catch those bicentennial, the buffalo. And I can see this here is the Buffalo Range, so I don't think we want to enter here where it says Buffalo Range, do not enter. I would really love to see those buffaloes come out to that line right there. That would be so exciting. But as you can see, guys, I'm just out, man. You know, I'm just taking a stroll, enjoying myself. Yep. I remember back in the day, boy, when a brother had to wake up early in the morning just to be at Applebee's. Woo, man, I had to be there at what? Maybe 6:30 in the morning. And I used to always, before I get to work, I used to always stop off and watch the ducks, the goose and the geeses and all that stuff. Cause I had to open that building up, man. I had to open it up and get it ready. I had to open it up and get it ready. Yeah. Huh. You can see. Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, how you doing, fella? Huh. Yeah, man, I had to open that building up at 6:30 in the morning. And, you know, at that time, I think I was the kitchen manager. Yeah, I was the kitchen manager then, so you can just imagine what I had to do. Now I try to, you know, get out, take advantage of the situation. Yeah, those was the hard-working days. I think every day is a hard-working day. If you want to succeed in anything, you got to work a little hard at it. You know what I mean? You gotta work a little hard at it. God, that's just the way it is. Yep, that's the way it is. You can see the trees up here, all nice and blowing. Wind's blowing pretty good, so sun is out. I know the sun is shining pretty good. Shining pretty good, I might say. That could be a nice little puddle for like hippo. Look like a hippo. Like hippos do now. Look at that pathway right there. Where is that going to take me, Uncle Dave? Well, we'll find out later. This place is it's a mystery to it, you know, because I haven't been in here. I know I'm on the walkway right now. I haven't been here in a while. Not in this part right here, you know, where the guys can do all the fishing and stuff. You can see all that water out there. Man, it's a big drop off right here too, boy. Yeah, we got people out there fishing, you know, having a good time. And yeah, I can see there's a duck standing right beside that guy. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing. It looks like the duck isn't moving either. Almost like they're friends. Yeah, almost. I don't want to disturb his fishing technique. Might run his fishes away. I don't want to do that. Oh, that over there. Okay, buffaloes. Where are you now? I'm in your territory. So I'm pretty sure everybody's getting ready for Thanksgiving and all. Like I said, man, make sure you get those turkeys early, or you're gonna end up with a little bitty hen. I know you don't want to end up with a little bitty hen. Yes, I've already done that before. So I don't want to pretty much go back into that. I want to dodge this camera away from the sun, so I don't mess with my white balance. Don't want to mess that up, guys. It's a nice little walk, man. You know, gives you a peace of mind. You know, if you got time, try it sometime. Go out, take a walk by yourself, give yourself a peace of mind, clear your thoughts, and maybe that'll give you something when it's all over with. It'll give you something creative to think about. Maybe you think of something creative. Hopefully it'll make you a more creative person once you know, if you got your cup too full, sometimes it's best to empty that cup and just start back over fresh, guys. You never know what type of good fresh ideas you might come up with next. So I mean, this is a pandemic, so hey, you gotta take it for what it's worth, for what it is, you know. Can't like give up, you know. You have to get out there, and as you can see every day, I try. I get out there, I try to get my grind on. I put my work in, you know, because I know I'm not a professional video photographer. Oh, look at this deer. Oh, I done ran up on a deer. Hi, little dearie. How you doing? Let's get a close look. I hope you guys can see him. He's a deer. Let's see. And he's just looking at me. He's just looking at me like, Uncle Dave, you know I'm out in the open where you can see me. He's a big guy too. This guy is big, he's huge. Man, I don't know if I can see him on the film, but this guy is huge. Look at him. Look how huge he is. Hey, boy. Yes, he is huge. He's looking like, hey, there's more people coming. So what can I do? Yeah, man. You'd be surprised what's in these woods. You will be surprised. I never thought I'd run up on him, but there he is. Never thought I'd run up on him. But there that guy is. Hi, fella. You can see him, guys. It's a deer. Hello, deer. Okay, it's your move, man. You gotta make your move. He's running away, guys. He's running away. All right, dear. Oh man, that's a lot of them. No wonder she was looking at me. It's like 2 of them here. It's 2 deers. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys do your thing. Go on, do your thing, dear. Man, you know, you never know what you might see. It's 2 deers, as a matter of fact. Hey, how you doing? 2 deers. You know, we ran up on 2 deer, and I get to say, hey, we out doing the same thing you doing like today. We just out chilling, man. I like this railing, this fence that they got here. I think this is real neat right here. Man. Normally the deers don't come out around humans around this time. But I guess I got lucky that time, didn't I? Lately I've been getting deer lucky. You're lucky, dear. Lucky I am. How lucky I am. La, 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 la. Man, that is deep down there. It's like super deep. See how deep that is down there? I never knew how deep it was. I'm pretty sure. Hey, how you doing? All right. I'm pretty sure if you dip down in there, it'd probably be hard to come back up unless you're prepared. Guys, you never know what Uncle Dave. You never know what else I might run up on. I would like to run up on those bicentennials. I would like to run up on those. Yes, I would, brother. Look at these trees. I like the way these trees are aligned with each other. They're all lined up perfect too, man. Perfect aligning. I hear something that's in those woods, but I can't really see it. But I do know that it's in there. No matter where you go, man, you're gonna see a lot of squirrels. No matter where you go, it's gonna be some squirrels. That I can say. That I can say, my friend. What in the world? Guys, what do you know about that? We'll be back, guys. Yeah, man. On the boys. This is like the horse trail. So hopefully this is where people ride the horses and they come through here. So you have to be careful when you're walking through here. Be careful, because you never know when a horse might run up on you. Look like somebody got red up on. I see their mask on the ground. Yeah, see this here dirt road here is where it's full of rocks. It's so rocky. I have a slightest idea where this road leads to, but you know what? I'm gonna follow it and see exactly where it takes me. Oh, got the ducks over there. Man, I stick your head all the way in the water like that. What are you doing in there, dude? Look like the same type of ducks I saw at the when I did my panda tour. Yeah. The guy, this is something most black people don't do now. Black people don't walk out in a wooded trail by themselves, because you never know what you might run up on. But I can tell you this, we know how to get out of there. We ain't gonna walk up to it and say, oh, what is that? Oh no. So we hear a little skit, we gone skit. Brother is out of there. At least that's the stereotype. That's what they say. I'm not for sure. But I don't know too many brothers that got caught like that. This trail most definitely seems to be a very long trail for some reason. I do know that much. We want to get around there and see exactly where this thing is taking us, guys. Cause who knows? I have a slightest idea. I haven't been here in so long. Now I do remember coming here fishing. Yeah, me and my brother, we came fishing here before. Look around. See, man. Yeah. Look at that. Look at them trees. Oh man. Exactly what is all that out there? You'll be surprised what can come running from out there. Can you imagine that? And Uncle Dave out here by himself, around no other human being, nothing but some ducks. I have to jump in that water with those ducks. Probably wouldn't be the best idea. Probably wouldn't be the best idea. See, this is where the horse goes down. See, this is where the horse come in at right here on this little ramp part here. As you can see, guys, there's a ramp here. And the horses go right down there. They either go up there or they come down and come up here. So it's a two-way thingy. It's a two-way deal. Yeah, this thing show most definitely seemed to be a lot longer than what I remember. I do know that much. It's a lot longer than what Uncle Dave remembers. Guys, I want to thank you guys for, oh look guys, a turtle. Yeah, I love turtles. It's a turtle. Man, they flew back in the water, man. What you jump back in the water for? Uncle Dave not gonna bother you. What I look like? Why those turtles always do that? As soon as you get close up on them, they want to run back in the water like Uncle Dave gonna do something. Uncle Dave ain't gonna do nothing to you. He just, oh, here's another horse trail, guys. Another trail, so that's like a, I'm assuming that's like a shortcut that you can take like to go around or whatever. If you guys see another deer out there, y'all let me know so I can jump on them and ride them. Oh, I ain't gonna do that. I don't think that's gonna happen. We all know that's a no-no. But like I was saying earlier, guys, I want to thank you guys. Oh, shoot, there it goes again. Another whole set of turtles was on that limb. And they just jumped back in the water besides this one right here that's still swimming. Look, even he wants to get away. What is it with you turtles? What are you guys scared of? Come on back and play with Uncle Dave, man. Come back. Come back. Oh, man. Look at you. Like I was saying, guys, I'm going to say it. I'm going to try it again. I want to thank you guys for venturing Uncle Dave, man. Yeah, it means a lot to me, you know, that you guys are venturing Uncle Dave. You know, especially when you're sitting around the house and you just chilling. You really ain't doing a whole lot. You know, take some time out. Check out your boy Uncle Dave. Like I said, man, you never know what I might have, you know, in store for you. And you know, once this channel grow, I've always said this from day one. Once this channel grow and get a little bigger, then we're gonna start doing bigger things. Cause you know that takes money. Brother can't do nothing. You ain't got that money right. It takes money to do certain things. Well, this trail is, I like this trail. Now, I might not like the fact that I'm the only one on this trail, but I do like this trail. This is what I like to call very, very peaceful. This is a very, very peaceful trail. Very, very peaceful. I like all the trees, the way the trees are aligned, and even the trees look peaceful down here. Then you wish your neighborhoods was like this. Oh, I hear somebody jumping in the water over there. Must have been something. Oh, it's another turtle. Man, what are you guys running for? This is me. I'm Uncle Dave. I know that normally out here you could find a deer. You guys see one? Maybe not. Maybe not. Not this time. Oh, what was that? I hear you. I can't see you, but I do hear you. I know you're out here. It's just like early, you know. The wild love to come out when it's early. Man, if I knew this trail was this long, well, nah, I probably still would have did it, but it's a little longer than I remember. It's like they stretched it a little bit. Plus, they got different avenues, like the horse trail. They got the horse trail combined with this pathway now. Did I mention I was the only one here? Yes, I'm the only one in this trail. Isn't that crazy? Nah. Now, I don't know if this is a venture for you or if this is a real venture for me. It's one of the two. Oh, I heard another turtle jump in the water. I know you guys heard that. They're so fast, man. They're so fast. God, where you getting off to so fast? I better, like I see something out there. Let me put my, see where we at. As far as, Our time. Oh man. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long, but that's what I do, man. It's what I do these days. I like to go silence in a peaceful environment where the trees are peaceful, and you know, like I said, hopefully run up on a couple of deers, which I did. I ran up on 2 deers. 2 deers, man. And they look so big in person. They don't even look that big on TV. But in person, woo boy, in person you really get a chance to see just how big a deer is. They almost look scary. Almost, if I didn't know no better. If I didn't understand the wow, that would probably be a real situation. See a couple of bird nests up there. I can just imagine. Hey, ducky. So this would be a nice place for bird to make a nest. Well, the ducks don't make a nest. Where you guys nest at? What would that be? Oh, that looks like a big old squirrel of some sort. I guess that's a squirrel. He's so big. He's a red-tailed squirrel too. Oh, that is amazing right there. Look at him, buddy. He's climbing that tree. Just get on up there, boy. Get on up there, boy. A red-tailed squirrel. How unusual is that? And then there's a bird at the top. There's a bird there and a red-tailed squirrel climbing up behind him. Now why? The bird's not scared of the squirrel, but they're scared of us. So they know, man. Here come them humans. They know them humans start surprising, baby. They know them humans are crazy. There's another one. My God, we're just alive today, aren't we? These woods is a little more active than I could possibly imagine, guys. And guys, I hope you guys have fun watching my Uncle Dave's Fun Dino Exhibit Tour. I hope you guys have fun watching Uncle Dave's Skate Park Tour. Hope you guys have fun watching Uncle Dave's the Panda Tour. The most recent one was the Panda Tour. And I hope you have fun watching DTC Nation all around. You know, guys, go to those videos and just sit back, get you some popcorn, and check them out for Uncle Dave. And let me know what you think, man. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You know, that'll guide me in the right direction for most of my videos. You know, I won't feel bad. Just tell me what you... Oh, Lord, at the end of this path. Look at here, guys. Freedom. I is free, yo. I is so free. Look at all this water right here with all the animals in it. Oh, man. Back to the subject, man. Yeah, let Uncle Dave know, man, how you guys enjoy the videos. You know, man. Oh my God, look at this thing here. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the videos. He's flying away. He's flying away. I'm gonna get on this side, Uncle Dave. Shoot, you ain't finna touch me unless you got some fish. And I ain't got no fish, man. Not today, I don't. Yeah, let me guys, let me know what you're thinking. You know, man, I would like for you guys to help support this channel, to help this channel grow, make it bigger. Now come out here looking for these freaking buffaloes, and as you can see, I don't have a buffalo yet. So what I gotta do, guys, do I have to actually go in there with the buffaloes or what? I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But guys, stay tuned. But guys, I did find the buffaloes, but they're so far down that there's no way that I am going to be able to get to these guys, man. What do you want me to do? You want me to do a dip, slip and trip down this hill and jump over this little fence right here, guys? Oh man, look at the buffaloes. Let me see if I can give you guys a view of what I see with these buffaloes. I don't know if I can get way down there. So try to do my best. I know the camera gonna be shaking, cause you know how these phones be shaking when you're doing stuff. Cause your hand be shaking, see. Now if I can keep my hand very, very, very still, it'll be a totally different scenario. But those are the buffaloes, the bicentennial buffaloes, and I found them, but they're on the other side, and I don't know. At least I did find them. As you can see, they're moving out, and for some reason they always stick together because they know the strength is in unity. They know to stick together. Why can't we do the same? Well, guys, we'll just have to practice, won't we? We got to stick together, guys. We got to stick together and become one, just like the animals. See, that's why Uncle Dave like looking at the animals. That's why I like venturing and touring with the animals, because they seem to have this life thing, you know, well down. They seem to have it. They've learned from their parents, and they just don't forget. They don't astray from that. They don't go into different directions like humans. You know, we get a little older, we do our own thing, like, shoot, I'm gonna do what I want to do. Not so much with the animals. They have to stick with what they was taught, you know, in order to survive. You know, because and plus they know the pecking order. They know who's in charge. And that's the same, you know, everywhere you go. It's the same. So guys, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with Uncle Dave yet again. You know, I'm gonna make my way back to this car because this venture, baby, is over with. I'm gonna make my way back to this car, and we're going to call it a day. Guys, take it easy.